Hello everyone. Today, let's dive into creating a Binance account and discover how to set up authentication. Even if you are completely new, you will be able to follow each step easily without any trouble. The official sign-up link can be found in the description below this video. By registering through that link, you can enjoy a 20% discount on Binance trading fees. Make sure to take advantage of the link to enjoy these benefits to the fullest. First, let's walk through how to set up a Binance account. When you click the link in the video description, the Binance website will load automatically. After the page loads, you should notice that the 20% fee discount has already been applied. You may also spot additional promotional bonuses displayed on the screen. At this point, you can decide to register using either your email or your phone number. After filling in your details, tick the box to accept the terms and conditions. Then click Continue to head to the next step. Next, you will be prompted to complete a simple image verification. Pick the image that matches the words shown on the screen. Once this step is wrapped up, a verification code will be delivered to your email or phone. Type in the code you received to confirm your account. Now, come up with a secure password for your Binance account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If there is a referral code field, enter SKY333. Punching in this code will unlock additional account benefits. You will enjoy a 20% trading fee discount along with extra rewards. For this reason, it is recommended to punch in the code before wrapping up the registration. After finishing all the steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Second, we will move forward with the KYC verification process. KYC verification is required to deposit funds, withdraw assets, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes facial recognition, we will get it done using a smartphone. Get the Binance app installed and launch it on your mobile device. Log in with the account you just created. You will then be automatically brought to the verification page. Kick off by selecting your nationality. For this example, I will choose India. Next, pick the type of identification document you will submit. In this case, we will go with a passport. Tap the Take Pictures button to get started. Then press Continue to activate the camera. Line up your passport clearly within the frame and snap a photo. Make sure the photo is clear and free from glare or shadows. The next step is facial verification. Pay close attention to the instructions displayed on the screen. Once done, your verification request will be submitted for review. The review process usually takes around 1 hour. After the review is complete, your verification status will be updated. Third, let's beef up your account security by activating Google Authenticator. Head into the account menu. Then go to the security section. Press the Manage option. Turn on the Authenticator app feature. Punch in the security code delivered to your email or phone. A QR code will then show up on the screen. Get Google Authenticator installed and launch it on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. After scanning, a 6-digit code will be produced. Return to the Binance page and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app. Once this step is wrapped up, the 2-factor authentication setup is all done. In this video, we covered how to create a Binance account and get it authenticated. Each step was explained clearly so that even beginners could follow without getting lost. Your likes and subscriptions greatly fuel the growth of this channel and help more people discover these guides. Thank you very much for sticking around until the end.